Learn to read with ABC ETC, Learning Made Easy. CVC Words. In this module, you will use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet. Revise the vowel letter sounds. Revise the short vowels sounds. Revise the long vowels sounds. Learn to blend sounds to make CVC words. The alphabet arc. Let's form an alphabet arc using the lowercase letters. Place A at the beginning. A, A. Place Z at the end. Z, Z. Place letters M and N at the middle. M, N, N. Now arrange the rest of the alphabet letters in an arc shape and call out the letters B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, S, T, T, U, H, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Vowels have two sounds each, but do not sound the same. One is short and the other one says its name. Short vowels sound A, E, I, E, O, U, H. Long vowel says its name. A, E, I, O, U, A. Apron. A, ant. E, eagle. E, egg. I, iron. I, E, ink. O, ocean. O, orange. U, uniform. U, umbrella. Y makes three sounds. At the start of words, Y makes a consonant sound. Yeah. Yam. At the end of short words, Y sounds I. Fly. At the end of long words, Y sounds E. Baby. Now that we know our letters and the sounds they make, we are ready to decode words. Short U sound. H. Box. Cup. Jug. Not. Son. Long U sound. U. Uniform. Statue. Cube. Pew. This is the end of this session. In Module 3, we learned to use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet, the vowel letters sound, and to blend sounds to make CVC words. In the next session, we will learn syllables. A syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken word. Every word is made up of letters. Each letter has its own sound. When you add all these sounds together, you get a word that you can read. Learn to read with ABC ETC, Learning Made Easy.